Hey guys, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. So happy that you took the time out of your busy day to watch this video. Now, you are going to be invited into a virtual Zoom call featuring the Dream Team. They have been together for 1 year, and to commemorate their 1 year anniversary, we are closing it out with a virtual gift exchange. And we are basically walking through this process live on Zoom. And I brought my husband in on this process so he could help us select the names and not tell the other person. So we're going to jump into this call. If you are a group or if you're a family and you want to take this on, you can take some notes of how we figure things out along the way and just enjoy the journey.
All right, gotcha. So I'm ready when you are, dear.
Okay. Well, everybody's ready. So what we decided to do, we want to welcome the world to our first virtual gift exchange video for 2020. Hello, world. So guys, we were wanting to come out with something different to express love for one another as a team. You guys have celebrated 1 year of coming together as sisters, and I find that extremely honorable. So why not do something a little bit different to put a cap on that, especially at the end of a very overwhelmingly stressful year. So with all that being said, I know that each and every one of you have impacted me tremendously. I talk about you guys a lot to my husband. So he knows this connection is very important to me, which is why he is outside of his comfort zone sitting here on this Zoom call. So I'm just so excited to be able to do this. And as a very close friend said to me, this is a way to show the world that there is still some light and people are still celebrating and showing love to one another in a normal Christmas fashion. And since we have to do it virtually, why not do it virtually? So our rules are very simple. We have set a cap of $50 minimally. Now, if you want to express your love to $1,000, make sure I am the recipient. You get my name, I'm all in. I'm all in. So you can just rain on me, $1,000. Pick me.
Right.
All right.
Thank you, Wani.
Now, Pastor Holt has a glass bowl. And in that bowl is the name of every person that is on this call. Because that's basically saying, you're saying, yeah, I want to participate, right?
Right.
Okay. So he has a bowl with your names in it. Now, I know that Kenya might be getting on a little bit later. So he actually has her name sitting aside on the side over there. Show it to him, babe. Show Kenya's name on the little card, on the little paper. Kenya. Okay, so if she should join the call, we're gonna have to throw all these names back in there because she did say she might join a little bit later, and I don't want to count anybody out on this. So as far as the actual mailing of the gift, we'll have to come up with that date, but I don't want to put that on this call. I want this to really strictly be about the selecting of the name, but we will have a date of when the gifts need to arrive to the houses, okay? And I personally would say 2 weeks before Christmas, but we can't open it until you do it on camera so everybody can see what you got.
Oh, awesome.
So you have to do it on camera. So we'll be back here again opening the gifts so everybody can see.
That's exciting. I have a question.
Yes.
Can we go ahead and put Kenya's name in the bowl, and then that way we just pull evenly, and whatever name is left, that's who her person is?
I don't have a problem with that.
Okay, because she is participating. She just couldn't, be on the call at the time. But
I'm sure she's going to get on a call. And when I didn't get a confirmation on the text, that's really what I was going by. The confirmation. I don't feel uncomfortable doing that. I would say this: if we put her name in there and she says no, then be prepared to shuffle again.
Okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Pastor Holt, you might be tentatively doing this again.
Okay. Okay.
You can be a little excited about it.
Here's the thing. I am so honored to be the first name picker of the Dream Team Virtual Exchange. I mean, I just consider that an honor and a privilege. So I'm very excited about this.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You appreciate it.
Thank you for volunteering.
All right.
Volunteer. Okay.
Or you know that.
Voluntold.
He was voluntold.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. Babe, you got your phone, you got your name. We're gonna go ahead and get started. So the first
But we don't tell who we have. That's a secret.
No. Simply what I'm going to do, she's already preloaded the phone with all the names I'm going to draw in order. So I'm drawing the name for you. So the first person I'm drawing for is Bree. And I will text you the name of the person who you drew. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right, Bree, you ready?
And I forgot to put my name in here too.
It's not too late.
Hubbies next year. We'll add the hubbies next year.
There you go. There you go. I'm for that. Bree. Now this video is gonna have some music to it when I, put some stuff.
One of those.
This is exciting. I was just like,
Jeopardy.
So Bree, I am texting you your name.
Bree.
Bree, look at your phone.
Wow. Thank you.
Did you get it?
Did
you get your name?
I have it.
Huh?
She said she
Did
got
you
it.
get it? Okay. All
I
right.
have it.
Okay, the next one I'm picking for is Shalomi.
Perfect.
All right.
Doesn't need that, dude. Somebody sing that. Oh, go ahead, Kim. Sing it. You have the beautiful voice.
Right, she's the high soprano. She can hit those notes.
Kimmy.
I got my name received.
Okay. The next one I'm picking for is Wani.
All right.
All right.
Wani lives in Atlanta, so she can shop in good places.
For real.
Right, she got all the good stores.
Uh-huh.
I have to buy my gift today and mail it tomorrow for y'all to get it by Christmas.
I know, right? You don't know.
Okay, did you get your name, Wani?
Oh my goodness.
Yes,
the
I
shipping.
did.
Okay.
Who'd you get, Wani?
Can't tell you.
Okay,
Santa
the
Claus.
next name I'm picking for is for Catherine.
Give me a good one. Give me a good one, babe. Give me a good one.
Well, we all are good.
Don't give me
All of them
nobody.
are good.
I'm
the best.
See, the most.
I'm ready. It didn't come from downstairs yet.
No, it didn't. But you got some other stuff in your name for some reason.
Okay. Waiting. I don't have a lot of money, so who is this?
Look, for a person who set the limit or set the
$4,000.
$1,000.
Right.
Her gift should be $2,000.
Okay, did you get it?
No.
Uh-oh.
You're right
Just-
upstairs. So I'm not sure.
Just tell her. Just tell her.
It didn't come.
Okay, then,
She got it. Okay. It's me. She got me. It's me.
When you gotta mail a gift to Canada.
the next one that I
Exciting.
have is Kim.
No comments. No comment. Who's next?
Kim.
Kim.
Yeah. Kim looks like she's on The Price is Right, honey.
But you know, Kim got that poker face, so you won't know who she get.
You will not know.
You get it?
I got it. Oh, she got me. She got it.
Wani, everybody can't have you.
Everybody can have you, Wani.
We gonna send all the gifts to Wani. How about that?
Right.
All of them.
The next one I have is Trevina.
Trevina,
Trevina, okay.
I'm
She's
ready. Y'all getting a box of rocks.
All right. I'll take 3 if you got my name. Come on.
I'm ready.
Woo, my mind is real.
Thanks, Trav.
No, that was me. Uh-oh.
Okay.
What's your name, Wani?
Okay. The next one I have is
It's Wani
Kira.
Shalom has your name.
Kira.
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 Yes, Kira.
Kira, you in Atlanta or Virginia? Where are you?
I'm in Georgia, but it's a small town in Georgia.
In Big Albany.
Oh,
I have family there, Kira, so that's all right.
3 Georgia girls. Bonnie, Kira.
Yes. Yes.
Oh,
You know.
3
Yeah.
Georgia girls in the house.
Oh, I'm
Okay.
I
sorry.
know.
I got it.
Okay.
You got it?
Thank you, Kira. Thank you, Kira.
So the last one I have is Kenya. Do you want me to text her hers? Or what do you want to do?
What do you guys suggest as a team? What should we do?
I think you can text it to her because she knows that we're doing this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
And
We're
then
texting
maybe, and,
Well,
and
there's
then
really only
Catherine.
one name.
Has,
Okay.
Can you tell us who she has?
No.
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 Okay.
Oh, I got
That
a
was
good one.
so
I cannot wait.
Well, audience, you all know out there in YouTube land now, you know how this could be done.
I
But if
No,
someone-
girl, I can't wait for my gift.
So if someone is not physically here, but they want to participate, just have their name selected and text the information to them. And
Okay.
there you go. This could be a family reunion event. This could be a coworker event, a school event, a friendship event. You can do this any way you want to. So we just wanted to there in YouTube land. We love you guys. So you guys can get it started. Take these clues and just make it happen. We want to spread the love all over the land, right, team?
Amen.
Right. I'm excited.
And I just want to
Super.
say, it has been an honor and a privilege to serve you. And please consider me next year when you're selecting your name picker.
The job is yours. Thank
Got
you. You've been
Well, the last little steps are here. So you want to confirm everyone's mailing address for their presents, and you want to share your mailing list with everyone so everyone has the information. Set a delivery deadline. You must have the gifts to the person by this date, and then set up your Zoom call for your unboxing party. And that's it. You're welcome to use the hashtag virtual gift exchange.
If you're not a subscriber, please consider doing so today. Press the bell so you'll be notified when I have uploaded another video. I get messages from you guys a lot that you are not getting your notifications and you have pressed the bell multiple times. I wish I could control that, and believe me, I do serve it up quite a bit. So please, guys, keep watching, keep checking in. Even if you don't get notices, I appreciate every second that you watch on this channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.